My friend, we use freedom as a deceit. And do you remember how you started? How exactly you wanted to be an entrepreneur? Why you wanted it? It was because they thought there's going to be some hard hustle and certainly there's going to be a befitting freedom. But freedom, indeed. If you're like me and you don't know how to get your way around the internet, by now you have about 5,000 unread WhatsApp messages. Some 99 plus Instagram message requests that actually equals to like 3,000. Well, that's it. That's sort of economy that you find yourself. But then, if you are not the type that even get all this attention, don't even join this conversation because it's not for you. But you have the type that are already getting all of this. Maybe you are even considering dancing on Instagram for, naked. Maybe you can get some attention. I don't know. But whatever the case may be, I know in your mind, you've deeply felt it. That you are looking for the next ambassador that will represent your brand. You are looking for you are already even confused on the fact that there are dispatch riders that could not get the stuff they order for to the right location. Why? Well, it was because nobody taught you that business is about two things: automation and creating habits. And if you can stay with me, maybe by the end of this video, you will have cut down your hustle, maybe not 100%, by 50%, or your stress, and then maybe you'll have gained back a huge part of your freedom that you have lost in this journey of creating wealth. Anyway, this is what I'm talking about. Automation, which is the first part, is putting everything in your business on autopilot so that it can run totally without you. How many of you that is watching this? Okay, it's only you. Look at me. Can you say your business can run without you? Like, let us be honest. Like, your customer will not like to chat with you, or even the sales rep that you got, they don't like her. Yeah, that's it. You started it. It's your fault. And then the second part is creating habits. You know what I'm talking about? That people, the major's wife and the customer wanted to talk with you. It's your fault at the end of the day. I'm sorry. But I'm the marketer. I was going to tell you the truth today. At least for today. Tomorrow I will lie. I'm a marketer. What do you expect? But basically today, let me tell you the truth. Automation and creating habits. If you really want to gain your life back, you want to have the freedom to wake up in the morning and just have fun, and then stay in the wonderful view like this and enjoy the view, and then don't worry about the fact that whether revenue is going to come. You are sure that revenue is going to come in. You have to focus on automation. How do you get your business to be on autopilot? And that's why when people are preaching to you, get an e-commerce website, you are arguing. The conversation is not about having an e-commerce website. It's about gaining your freedom back. It's about getting your product right into the store, your online store, so that you can create the habit of your customer going there to buy, rather than calling you or messaging you or sending you message request or finding a brand ambassador or getting the face of the brand or paying Instagram investor or making the next comedy kit. You can actually build a culture where people go to your platform and buy. What is Amazon doing? Think about it. What is Amazon doing? Flipkart, Jumia, what are they doing? Why did they sell more than you? What do you say that you think an e-commerce platform will not sell it for you? And that's why we built Kitcart. Kitcart.net is a platform to ensure that you gain your freedom back. We are not trying to teach or preach the fact that you need a technology certification to run your business, or you need to get to one platform that does all the other. No. The point we are trying to play here is that you get your freedom back. How do you get that back? How do you get your freedom back? Plug into the Kitcart.net platform, which is way cheaper than any other solution you can find out there, which does not equate the fact that it's not up to tax. In fact, we have big clients already on our Kitcart service. But what I'm saying is that you can gain your freedom back by getting an e-commerce platform that works like Kitcart.net, and then store up your product, put the pricing, put the shipping. Don't worry about these things. Don't worry about getting the location wrong anymore, except the customer puts the wrong location. Get the shipping, get the product, and then people go there to buy. And if you are thinking about how do I get people to buy, that is where the second task is, creating habit. If you give me a reason to buy through your platform, I'll be going to buy. If you give me a reason to go to your website and buy, I'm going to buy. How do Juma get the sales? How do even if Juma do Black Friday, this Friday, that, if that's what you need to do, you need to do that in order to get your life back. I know you value the freedom. How about you get there on the job and get to visit Kitcart.net Get yourself one of the smoothest plans to start out with. And perhaps maybe you can be the next free man that will be having a wonderful feel in Lekki and be proud of himself. Anyway, if you like, think about it. If you like, click on the link below and get yourself the suitable, most wonderful gift on earth, freedom. Peace out.